Okay, I think I'm back on. Okay, I'm back on Twitch again.
Okay, your audio's on again. I can hear you like normal again.
Okay, share my screen. Okay, I shared my screen again. How we doing?
Watch stream. Okay, I think it's working.
Better?
Oh, well, I can hear myself echoing now.
Oh, that's weird. I wonder why you can hear yourself echoing.
Yeah, same.
I don't have any audio being patched through more than one way, I don't think, so. So, are you able to see my screen?
I think so. Are you're like on the Discord page?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. So, this first pop-up, the round-in pop-up.
Wait. Are you going back to PICO-8 or are you on PICO-8?
I'm on PICO-8.
I'm still seeing the Discord thing.
You're seeing what?
I'm seeing the Discord screen.
Oh, I think I know what I did. Hold on here.
Oh, okay.
Stop sharing. Sure, I know what I did. There we go. Try that.
There we go. Yep.
Okay. We're back. Technical difficulties. So, I need to kind of talk this through. So, when the round ends, the problem is we've got the. I'm going to end it right when this pops up. Okay, so the easy thing to do is just to create a line break. But then we need to put, we don't have the ability to center text easily, which is why I needed to save some tokens at least to fix these kinds of issues. Because what we're going to need to do is take the string length for the name and then create a tiny, tiny little equation that adjusts the position of the x coordinate for that first line based on the string length. And then we can position them vertically differently. So we have a little cosmetic surgery to do on this first pop-up box.
Cool.
Let's see. So we need to find the round end box, wherever the hell it is.
That's right after the planets and stars information. Down in that next little chunk after that. Yeah, in this area.
Round start timer, round start box, round start countdown, round end box. This is the one. Okay. So.
Nice.
Let me remind me. So you have the rectangle. If round winner equals 0. Okay, so we have two different. Gotcha, okay. If it's a tie, then it's blah, blah, blah. Okay. Let me think for a minute. We need to add a separate print statement for sure. Print wins round. And we need to check, we need the round number. Yes, okay. So we need a space, dot, dot, then round. Oops. Okay. then dot dot, and that exclamation mark. Okay, then we need to, let's just use the same x coordinates for the moment. Let's change the y coordinate. Let's see, how many pixels? We were doing 8, I think, for the line break, but we'll adjust it all. It's just we're gonna have to remember how long it took to do this originally, like, and we kind of glossed over it. We're just gonna have to.
Yep.
Okay.
Over there.
Oh wait. The hell am I doing? Okay, yeah, 20 and then 77 plus 8, 85. Right?
Yes. So,
And now we can take all of this. Get rid of those 2 dots. So player name, right?
yes. First line. Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna do this. Copy this. Control C. Okay. So let me do a little math here. I hope this box is centered. I can check actually. Let me see. The box is. Oh yeah, so this is the black box. This is the gray box that goes on around the border of it, right?
Oh yeah.
So let me just check my math here. So I wish there was a way to see the pixels. Actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do this math part first, and then I can adjust the box if the box needs adjusting, because the math will be right. Okay. So it's this x-coordinate that we're worried about right here. So what we need to do, I think what we need to do is do something like, how were we centering before? We were taking 128 minus the length of the string divided by 2.
Yep.
So we can just replace this 20 with that.
Oh, I see. Okay, yeah, that makes sense.
I hope it works. I don't want to fuck it up. So let me write down the number 20 just to get that fuck it up.
Good idea.
Yeah, so we can take 128 minus, I think, the length of player 0 name, and all of that divided by 2.
Yeah. That's pretty cool. Nice.
I think that's how that works.
Yeah, let's try that. That's pretty nifty. Sure.
Yep. And I'm going to do the same thing here. And if it doesn't work, we'll just undo it real quick. But I think... Okay, so we need to do the same cosmetic surgery here. All of this goes away. We're going to copy this. And except this time it's going to be player 1 name.
Yeah.
All right, let's run it.
Change it to player one name.
Oh, did I? Oh, yep, good call.
You have to have players two.
Player one name. That's why we do this together.
Uh-huh.
I think of all the errors that would be there if you hadn't caught my errors, you know.
Right. Yeah, that was nice.
Okay, so let's pick one of these like that one.
It's so cool looking.
So which one has the longer name? It's this guy, right?
Yep.
So let's come over here and
Longest names in the game.
it should be centered-ish. Okay, that didn't work. Why not?
Yeah, 128
That's,
minus the length of the name divided by 2. Oh, wait. Oh. Hold on, I almost got it for a second, and then I just threw it away. How does it know we're dividing by 2 so that it's on both sides, you know? How does it...
oh, because we're just going from the left.
This is saying this is the X position?
Mm-hmm. So, try it again here, actually. I gotta... And it may not work that way. Maybe I'm using the wrong way of calculating the length of the string, so
Oh yeah, maybe that means something else.
it might. Ah.
It's definitely in a different position, and that one's closer to center, but it's not centered yet.
Okay, I want to go to my cheat sheet here. Actually, let's go to the manual. Length. Trying to find string length here. Okay, yeah, the length of a string, number of characters, can be retrieved using the... Oh, I know what I did wrong. I know. It's not the number of characters, it's the number of characters times... Oh yeah, it's more complicated. I gotta write this down. Because we're working in pixels, not in number of characters. It's actually a complicated little formula. Right. Okay, I know what I did wrong. I just gotta think it through. Okay, 128 minus the length of the string times 3 okay, hold on. Minus this. It's a complicated little formula. But it's gonna work, you know. Plus, okay, 128 minus, okay, it's the, yeah, okay, then there's actually,
Plus the string of player 0.
well, we need the well, hold on, we actually need the spaces between the letters as well.
That's what I was trying to, yeah.
Yeah.
What I was thinking.
So we want the length of player 0 name minus 1.
Yay, nice, cool.
Okay, let's just let's check our parentheses here.
Yeah.
So we've got
You want those two to be in this set of parentheses as well, together?
hold on here. So 128, we have 128 minus the length of the string times 3 plus the length of the string minus 1. Right, because if there's 8 characters, we want 7 spaces. And all of that divided by 2. I think that's right.
Yeah, I do too. At the most, potentially add another set of.
Yeah, so we have 1, so 2 lefts, then the right one ends, so we're at 1 left, and we have 1 more left, that one ends, we're at 1. Oh, that's it.
Yep.
That's it. I think that's right.
Yeah, I think this should work.
So we're going to do the same thing here. Oops. Oh. Yep. This whole little formula here. I think that's right. This is why we needed tokens. I knew this was going to, this is easy. It's just kind of, Okay, I think that'll fix it. And it may not be centered in the box because the box may not be perfectly square. So we just want to see if, if we pick one of these, one of these characters with a long name like this, that it's looking right. Like, please work, please work. Oh no, see, something's wrong. What's wrong?
What if you do the 2 with the player 0 name also in parentheses together? So the player 0 name times 3, parentheses right before that, and then a player 0 name minus 1, an extra parentheses behind that to put those 2 in their own set of parentheses together. Like solve this, then take the sum of those and minus 128 from them. Which I didn't think would be necessary, but maybe.
Well, let's see. We got 128 and minus, definitely minus player 0 name times 3. Oh, wait. Yeah. Hold on. It needs to be minus all of this.
Yeah, but yeah, all of that all together. Yeah, so all of that.
Yeah. It needs an extra set of parentheses here.
Right here, like that. Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Yeah. That's it. We can math. Woo! It is amazing. It's not rocket science, but this is complicated little math. You got to be able to.
It is. Yeah, this is the most complicated math that I've had to do in years. No, that's why I'm proud of myself to even be able to remember and think of some of this stuff. It's like, yeah, crazy. I haven't had to access this part of my brain in so long. I love it though. I love this project for that.
Yeah.
I was always good at math and enjoyed math a lot.
Yeah, me too. And it's fun to kind of go deep into the math brain and remember how to do this stuff.
Creating something out of nothing and like creating these mathematical formulas to make the computer do what we want.
Mm-hmm.
Cool. It's just doing it on its own.
There we go. Now we're talking.
There, dude. Nice.
Nice.
Didn't need that extra stuff.
And let's check this one now.
Yeah, good.
It should be centered as well now.
Nope. Did we not do the parentheses right on that one or something?
What happened? Oh, I know.
Oh. Oopsies. Can we do that on both of those, or?
It's just the one. Yeah, it's because I pasted it again. Forgot to change the variable name. It's fun. We're really fixing minor little bugs. It's great,
We are. Yes.
Let's see what's one with the really short name.
Goku. The top Goku is the shortest.
Yeah, let's do that. Okay.
Great Saiyaman's longest name by one extra character.
I think
A little off.
it is a little off, or is everything else off?
Yeah, I know, right? One of the Goku. I think that 99 is right. Our timer's right in the center. It looks very centered, anyways. That Goku didn't align with the timer there. Golden Frieza did though.
Right. So there's something wrong somewhere. That looks pretty good.
Centered right there. Yeah, that 75 was right over the gap between Golden and Frieza. They're the same words, yeah. Right over the OK, it's over the KU of Goku. Yeah, that's off by like 3 pixels.
But how can that be? It's the same damn formula.
Right? Zero name. Player 0 name.
Oh, yep. There we go. I forgot we used the variable twice, that's all. It's so satisfying to catch a bug. It's like, ah!
Yeah.
Look how dumb we are.
You know? It's like satisfying and relieving at the same time. You're like, ah, that's all it was. Let's go. Yeah, that's
yeah, you're right.
It was off by like 3 or 4 pixels.
Mm-hmm.
3 pixels is a 4-letter name.
Now it's not going to be perfect because sometimes they're going to be odd numbers. It'll be off by 1 pixel at worst. That's better.
Yeah, 1 pixel you won't notice. Yeah, I think that's it. We did it.
Okay, now we need to. I want to look at the round start box. What line spacing did we use? Round 2, get ready to fight. How many did we use here? Okay, we used 10 pixels, not 8. So let's use 10 as our default. And then we can tweak the vertical positions in a minute here. Okay, so if that is out at 77, we want this to be 87. 87. Okay, but now we can figure out we can get this centered as well. Let's fix that real quick. So we just need to count our characters here, which I'm gonna pointing at my screen. This is boring for people. I guess I can do this. No, I'm just gonna count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Wait. Oh, yeah, okay, hold on. Sorry, I just reminded myself what's causing the spaces and whatnot. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. So 13 times 3 is 36. No, 39. And then we want plus 12. That's 51. Okay, calculator time. So 128 minus 51 divided by 2 equals 38.5. We're just going to call it 38. Because they're not always going to line up perfectly because of the... You can't have half pixels, so... So this is going to be 38. This is going to be 38. Now, other than the Y spacing, this should look pretty good. We can adjust the vertical alignment in a minute. Let's try a different one. And just to make, there we go, just to make sure we're on the rails here. These characters look so good. I can't wait to turn you loose using on the 3D artwork maker.
I'm so excited to see how I do. I'm nervous.
Hey, that looks good. We just need to adjust the vertical spacing, right?
Yeah.
Now let's just see if we can zero in on it. We don't need to overthink this. I don't know. I don't even know how to figure it out. So.
The top And bottom of the box.
Yeah, that's
Top and bottom on in box. I don't know how to tell. Oh,
yeah.
correct.
10 and 70 and 117 and 10. So the Y is between 70 and 110 for the Ys.
Okay, and then we need to divide that into 3 chunks or two.
Well, we need to figure out.
3 chunks. Yeah, not in half. We need to divide it by 3. So 40 divided by.
Well, we actually hold on. Let's figure out how big. Let's figure out how big our chunk of text is here,
Oh yeah, because the height of the letters.
and the space we put in between.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So the letters themselves are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah.
So we have 2 rows. So that's 5 plus 5 plus. Well, let's see if they're. Hold on. I just want to look at it. I can tell by looking at it.
That means you just want it to be like 10 down, and then 10 down, and then you would have 10 left. And then the 2, yeah, 10. 10, I think, is the answer. So you'd want it to be at 80, and then 90? Or, no, probably is the answer.
Okay, so here we go.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah. So we have. I'm just kind of pointing at this. So we have 1, 2, 5. Yeah. Okay. I know. 1, 2.
yeah, 10, then you would have the 5 for the letters, then it's
Four-
a gap of 10, you'd have 5 for the letters.
Well,
and then you'd have a
there's
gap of-
there's 4 spaces in between. 4 pixels in between.
We could change that to... Oh, yeah, I guess...
I think it looks pretty good. I mean, do you think the spacing looks wrong between the 2 lines? I think it looks good.
No, not necessarily.
It's what we use. It's what we use in all the other boxes. But the height of
Box.
the height of both rows plus the spaces is 14 pixels.
We're 20 minutes.
So, and if we come up to our box,
I'll probably duck out a little early. Get ready to go to the AT&T store. What time are you?
Okay, so the box is 40 pixels.
I'm meeting Sammy there.
So 40 minus 14 is 26. Divided by 2 is 13. So it needs to be 13 pixels down from the top of the box, I believe.
Oh, meet there at 4:30?
Yeah.
Okay.
So if the box starts, it might be to go down 1 extra pixel, but if the box starts at 70, this should be 83 pixels
Next
down.
Tuesday, I think, we want to go dress shopping for homecoming.
Awesome.
The whole
And
thing.
then I think she's going to
Sorry, I got people
I'm gonna
chatting here.
go, she's gonna drive me.
So this should be
And then we're
83.
gonna get, there's a Windsor in Folsom.
Oh,
And
okay.
really,
This should be
it's supposed to have really good
93.
dresses, so we're gonna go there. And then,
Oh, I can't wait.
yes.
Oh, it's gonna be so great. And I will.
This is
expect
working so well.
pictures
It's coming together.
Tuesday.
Huh?
I'll expect pictures next Tuesday.
83.
Yeah, don't worry.
Oh, I'm so excited.
93.
I love you.
Okay, this should be in the right ballpark.
I love you.
Love you too. We can adjust that one too. I might need to go down by a pixel. Oops, wrong buttons.
Yeah, I think if we did to where it all was gapped the same, instead of having picking 4 pixels to be the gap between text, having the gap between text depend on how many lines of rows of text are in the box, and then having it all be the same gap between the edges of the box and in between text, I think could end up looking pretty nice too.
You want the size of the box to change?
No, not the size of the box. Like, I'm just saying, instead of being like there's the gap between text is 4, make the gap between the text be even between the gap between the box and the top row of text and the bottom row of text. So there's all the gaps.
You don't think that's going to look totally weird when it's in the middle of a sentence like that?
I don't think so.
You can try
I
it.
think that it'll just be, it'll all feel more centered, I think, to me. Instead of having the text centered on itself, having it all centered on the box. And then also centered on itself. But yeah. So
Okay.
All the gaps are the same size gaps. So there would be
Gotcha.
bigger gaps with less rows of text.
Right, so we've got 40 pixels. Let me just see here. So we've got, this is 40. I'm drawing, you can't see, but I'm drawing a little, you know.
Oh, nice.
You know, I'm a paper and pencil guy, back of a napkin kind of guy. So if we have 2 rows of text, we have 5 pixels and 5 pixels, and that means
3 gaps.
3 gaps, which is 10.
Yeah.
10, 10, and 10.
Yeah, let's see what those look like. If it feels too gappy or not. And you could write down these numbers too, so you don't have to
Yeah.
Yeah, it might feel too gappy, or it might feel more centered.
So yeah, I'm just writing down these two different XY coordinates here, or the Y coordinates. It was 83 and 93 for the 2 different. So here, if we do this instead, so we'll have, yeah, we'll just do it by 10, right? I think.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
I see. Yeah, I see. But, right. So it starts at 70. So the first one will be 80.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
And then 90.
I think so.
No.
Right?
Plus
No.
5.
It needs to have the other 5. 95.
95.
9. Yeah, because of the other letters. Yeah.
Is that right?
Yeah, I think so. And then 95 there as well. Yeah, I think that's right. And then that'll...
I think so.
Oh yeah, because then it'll have a 10 gap underneath it.
Let's see how it looks.
You know how there's like those German shepherds? What?
That one gets stretched out just a little bit too.
Are you kidding me? I forgot. I'm sorry, I forgot. Oh my god.
That's pretty good. I like it. Do you like it?
I do like it. The wind round 1 looks a little to the left or something.
Well, it might be off by a pixel because there's no half pixels, and sometimes there's going to be an odd number, and we just round it down. There's no way around that. Yeah. It's either going to be a little to the right or a little to the left. There's no.
Center.
Yep. The ones that are even are going to line right up. The ones that are odd or not.
Oh my god. I mean,
Okay. Do you like it?
I do think I like that. I can't tell all the way yet. Yeah. Somehow the winds round 1 feels like it needs to go to the right or something.
I think it's just an illusion.
Yeah. Yeah, probably.
It's off. One of them, the Goku is probably off by. One of them is is off by a pixel probably.
oh my god.
Because there's no way around that.
Okay, yeah, we've got that 2 10 space gaps. I think that feels good.
If you like it, yeah.
I do. Yeah, maybe it does need a smaller gap in the middle there. Maybe it does make sense to have bigger gaps on the edges.
Oh my
Maybe
god.
do a gap of 5.
Amanda got bit by one of the German shepherds next door. Yes.
What? Hold on, what?
Show him. Show Zach. She got bit by one of the
You need-
German shepherds
you need
next
to-
door.
You might need to go to. When you just now
Yesterday.
told us?
Yeah. She said she forgot.
Yeah.
You.
Here.
Hold on. Hold on, Dylan. I'll be right back. Hold on.
Yeah.
Hey, it might be infected.
But you
But you might need a rabies shot.
And she said it was the neighbor, like the brother of the owners that was walking in, and all he said was, "Oh, sorry, same thing happened the first time I met you."
Well, that would make a big deal.
No, but no. Yeah.
Yeah, it's okay, but you know,
Are you okay? Oh, yeah.
is that perfect?
I don't know.
It looks like it is.
No. I also did.
Okay, but it might be infected. And it, honestly, it's glorious. Gross.
Okay,
So that's good.
more. Yes, more.
I had some fun.
Have you had
No. Well, let me, let me, oh yeah, let me, oh no, I that's good. Well, I'm gonna send the pictures to the doctor. And see if they were in.
Yeah, dog bites take a while. So don't describe it.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
One of those things that you really don't want to talk about. It's unnecessary. That would come
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, not very.
No, it's fine. No, it's fine. No, it's fine. I'm gonna, she's, wait, what was the last name?
Yeah, do that.
I think, yeah. Well, no, put it on now before you get
Okay, I'm back. So, yeah, Amanda.
Okay.
Yeah. Susan's daughter was bit by a dog yesterday, and she didn't tell us.
Goodness.
So she has a dog bite on her arm.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it needs to be disinfected for sure. She did rinse it off pretty well, she said, but Neosporin, and she probably has to have a tetanus shot and rabies shot, I'll bet. So.
Oh my goodness. I heard about the dog bite. I was like, oh, are they about to go to the hospital right now or something?
Okay, so let me write down these numbers, and so old version, new version. I'm just gonna write them both so we can switch back and forth easily. We had.
What would be about trying a gap, but a little bit bigger than 4, like maybe even 5 or like 7 or something, like a slightly different gap in there.
Sure.
Like have the word names be a little bit closer. Or the words, I guess. Yeah, so I'm not sure exactly how that looks. Yeah, I guess move that one down.
Well, let me go back to what we had and see what you think. So we had 83 and 93. This stuff always takes forever, But it's great. We're in the details now. This is great,
Exactly.
The game is essentially built, so
Yeah. It is, yeah, and getting all these things lined up just makes it feel that much more crispy.
Mhm. exactly.
Oh yeah, I do like it with the earth there.
Yeah, it looks good. I like it.
Yeah, I really wanted it to be the Dragon Ball personally, and then I also really liked the way that the Namek was. But yeah, I keep liking the earth. Like that feels nice, and comforting.
So you think a slightly bigger space?
Yeah, I think a bigger space than that would look nicer. I think that's too small of a gap.
Yep. So I'm gonna do the math again here. So you're thinking. So we have 5 and 5, and what space do you want in between? 5.
Yeah, let's just try 5 for now. Let's try to just go up by 1 and see what that looks like. Or maybe 6.
Or well, yeah. If it's like double spaced, let me think. What would the normal double spacing be? Yeah, let's just try 5, 5, and 5. Why not?
4 feels a little small, and 10 felt pretty big. It was close. It felt pretty good. It just somehow the gap.
Actually, why don't we
between
try
words felt
5,
pretty
5,
good.
and 6?
Okay.
That'll be 16. So 40 minus 16, 24. Okay. 24 divided by 2 is 12. 12 pixels down from the top of the.
So, Sammy saw it. Yeah, saw it. Okay.
So it was 70. So we want 82 now. Okay, and then 6 spaces, that's 88. Yeah, so it's 88, right?
Yeah.
82 and 88.
But I just said, what do you recommend? What do you recommend?
This game is looking so good.
I agree.
I can't wait to. I can't wait to get it out in the world, but I also can't wait to just start working on our next game. I'm stoked about the next one. I can't wait to tell you more about it.
Start digging
Oops.
into that, yeah.
Okay, let's check the spacing. Oh, whoa, what did I do? Oh, I know what I did. I forgot to add.
The space of the letters, yeah, we need to add 5.
Right, add 5 to that. Exactly. I can't believe.
Hello.
Hello. So that would be 93.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, that's
Okay,
what you
well,
had
that's-
before. You had a 6
that-
space cap?
That kind
Oh,
of
wait,
makes
no.
sense.
Yeah, because it doesn't start it.
And maybe, yeah, it might need to go. The whole thing might need to go down by a pixel. We'll see.
Okay, Amanda, give me just a second. Okay.
Cool.
Look at us being all game designery.
Yeah, this looks so good.
That looks pretty good.
About this.
That looks good.
Satisfying. Yeah, I like that better.
I like that too.
Maybe even one more. Maybe even one more.
One more space in between.
Yeah, one more in the gap in between them.
Yeah. Okay. So this needs to be 94 then,
Yeah.
and then maybe the whole thing needs to be shifted up or down by a pixel. So let's
Yeah.
only change it up by.
Right back to 3. Yeah, that looked good though. Yeah, so if this doesn't, we'll go back to that one for sure. Nice. Yeah, I like how quickly you can get out of there. That didn't feel long at all.
Mm-mm.
And being able to go that fast as soon as it presses A feels like it's fast. And this looks so nice.
I think
Yeah,
does,
maybe back.
you think 93?
Yeah.
I think so too.
That one I like. The 94 made me think, I'm not sure again.
I know we're literally like arguing over a single pixel, which is great because it shows how happy we are with everything else. If this is what we're worried about.
Yeah, right. Like, let's get these pixels, let's get them down. And I like these little centering types of things. Very satisfying to me.
Well, it's the kind of thing that, if you don't do it, it doesn't look right. And
Right.
that looks good.
Like
I think it looks good.
Yeah, I think that looks good too.
All right, well, that one's done. I think that looks good. What do you think?
Yeah, let's try it again with another set of characters. Oh, well, we'll see it whenever we do other.
Yeah, no, it's okay. Let's do one real quick.
Okay.
I'd rather just fix it each thing once and fix it right, and then we.
Yeah.
Which one do you want to see?
Any two. Yeah, just any two. Let's do Android 18 versus the cell there, the first form cell.
Which one, sorry?
Right under Android 18. It's right underneath the other characters, so to the right and then up one.
Oh, right there. Yep.
Yeah.
So I don't have all the character names memorized.
Yeah, I know. There's so many.
As much as I just don't know Dragon Ball Z, so
Yeah, it's great. Yeah, it's so cool. We made a game with 24 characters. It's so fun too.
That looks good.
Oh, that's extra nice.
It's off by a pixel because it's gonna be because some of them have an odd number of characters. So it's just what do you do, man?
Yeah.
But that's okay. That's a part of the constraints of PICO-8.
Yep. It feels more retro too.
It does. That screen looks good, right?
This one here.
Does the whole thing need to go down by a pixel?
It does. The fight looks like it's up too high or something.
I think the whole thing needs to go down by 1 pixel, maybe.
Yeah. I
But
agree. And then other than that, it looks good. Like the gapping is good there. Just I think the round 2 could go down. Yeah, the whole thing
needs to go down by 1, right? So round start box. So blah blah blah. Get ready to fight. Right here.
Yeah.
Okay, so so this would be 78, and this would be 88.
I noticed it
Right?
this morning, but I couldn't quite see it because it was.
Wait.
But I love it.
Oh, and the timer. Oh, the round start timer. 98. Hold on here. Yep, 98. 98.
Nice.
The whole, yeah. It's cascade of changes. We change one thing, everything else needs to change.
Uh-huh.
And if it looks wrong, we'll just change it back real quick. It's all good. So it doesn't matter what we choose here.
Just a little
Oh yeah, that looks good.
There's one specific pixel that bothers me.
You're welcome.
That looked good, right?
Yeah, I overlooked it.
That's right. Let's do it again here.
Yeah, it was one of those things. I forgot what it was.
Not right now.
Oh, are we checking on this thing?
That right there looks good.
It's the like.
I think it looks great.
Okay. Well,
So, all right, I'm going to save our work so far. Save fight.
What is the
I love you.
what's the gap space between those?
10.
I know you're leaving.
Oh, I know, but the gap space, they're 10 apart.
Okay.
So that would be.
Oh, my love, I gotta go.
No, 5.
what?
Gotta go.
Okay. Going to the doctor?
No.
Oh.
The appointment, AT&T.
Oh, yeah. They were taking her to the doctor.
No. I emailed the doctor, sent the pictures, and asked what her advice is.
Sure.
Yeah, just go.
Probably needs a rabies shot. Maybe a tetanus shot.
But I guess what they were saying is, how there used to be 2 dogs? Now there's only 1
Mhm.
because apparently they broke up.
Oh, gotcha. Okay.
And the girlfriend took 1, and he kept 1. So now the dog's been acting different.
Right. Stressed out.
Yeah.
Gotcha. So avoid the dog.
Yeah, avoid
Yeah.
the dog. Yes.
But again, I don't think it's a serious enough issue to justify calling animal control or anything.
No, but I'm hoping that the brother told the owner
Well,
And like, okay, you need to make sure that.
let's get Amanda taken
What
care
if
of
it would have been one of the little babies across the way?
Right.
I mean,
Well, I wonder if you should go tell them.
I'm wondering if I should just, I don't, like, I don't know, I'm like, cause he's a big guy, I'm like, what if he yells at me or something?
It seems like a nice guy.
He does seem like a nice guy, but you never know if he's like, you know, and I'm not,
Just make it clear, like, you know, we don't think it's a serious enough issue to call animal control. Just want you to be aware.
Yeah.
Don't let your dog run around other people.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
Other people right now.
Right.
Okay, I love you, my love.
I love you too, my love.
Okay,
I'll see you
so
in
I'm gonna stop on the way home and get some juice and some sour cream.
Sounds perfect.
Okay, I love you.
I'll see you in just a little bit.
I'll see you in a little bit. Okay.
Okay. So the spacing, they were 10 apart, and so the spacing would be four pixels in between, right?
And how far are they from the top and bottom of the box on that one?
Yeah. Let's see. So the box starts at 70, and so they are 8 pixels down. 8 pixels down.
8 pixels down.
Mm-hmm.
And then they're 10 apart, so that would be 5.
You can look real quick.
Or is it 4 in between?
I think it'd be 4 because maybe it's 5. No, because it's 5.
I feel like they're close enough that maybe we could spread these ones out just a little bit and make all the spaces even on this box.
Okay.
Yeah,
Oh no, it's got to be 4 because they're not as tall as a letter. Look.
yeah, it's got to be 4 on that.
4 in between.
And then,
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that makes sense.
It feels like if
Mhm.
you push the round up, the round 1 up 1 pixel and the 1 down 1 pixel, and leave the get ready to fight where it's at.
Yeah, we can try it. Mm-hmm.
Move the round up 1.
Okay, so I need to the timer needs to go down 1. You said.
Yeah.
Okay. Same thing here, and then the
Round 1 goes
up 1, so 77.
Yeah. Let's see what that was like.
Mm-hmm.
And then get ready to fight. It'll stay where it was at. Yeah. It is pretty satisfying watching the whole thing.
There you go.
Yeah.
Looks
I
good.
like that more.
Yeah, it looks good.
Yeah, I like that. Is it all is the round 1 centered there?
Should be.
Okay.
Should be.
Yeah, I can't remember which ones all we did, and it always looks.
But again, it's going to be off by a pixel because we have 7 characters here. Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So it's a slightly left aligned because we rounded down. We decided just arbitrarily to round down. You could round up just as easily. You just got to pick one.
Let's see what it looks like rounded up. 1.
Sure.
It'll end up looking more or less skewed since this one doesn't. Oh well. Oh yeah, it'll always be probably a single digit. I don't think anyone will get to round 10. Some people probably will playing around.
Oh yeah, huh?
Yeah. Very few people. I don't think many people get that high in rounds. You have to do a lot of tying. You have to tie over and over and over, or let the timer run down.
Let me think. So we could use the same trick where we could use the same trick where we make it a function of the string length for the round number.
Of case, just because it's so hard to tie, and you would have to tie a lot of times in a row, basically.
But it'll happen if you just kind of let it run, let the timer run out, let the timer run out with it. If no one's doing anything, that will happen.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, if you just didn't do anything, came back, it could be on like round 50 or something.
Right.
It'd be around 2,400.
Yeah, exactly. I can live with that. That sounds just like it sounds more